Hello all, today we will be solving two numericals based on system of linear equations. This is the system of three linear equations with three unknown coefficients x, y and z. So let's start with the first method. Declare the symbolic variable from your equation. Assign the equations to the variable name eqn1, eqn2, eqn3. Then using this syntax with the solve function, you will get the answers for x, y and z as 2, 2, minus 1. In method 2, we store the coefficients of x, y and z in the matrix A. The matrix B stores the values on RHS of the equation. Then we use the formula of matrix method Ax is equal to B to calculate the value of X matrix. In the third method, here we use the lin solve function with coefficient matrix A and B as their inputs. Using this syntax, you will get the answers for X, Y, Z as shown here. In the last method, we declare the coefficient matrix A and B, then use this following syntax with the RREF function and you will get the similar results. Thank you for watching the video. For more such videos, like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.